राष्ट्र प्रतिज्ञा। भारत हमारा देश है, हम सब भारतवासी भाई बहन हैं। हमें अपना देश प्राणों से भी प्यारा है। इसकी समृद्धि एवं मूल संस्कृति पर हमें गर्व है। हम इसके सुयोग्य अधिकारी बनने का प्रयत्न करते रहेंगे। मैं अपने माता पिता, गुरुजनों एवं सभी बड़ों का सदा सम्मान करूंगी तथा सबके साथ विनम्रता का व्यवहार करूंगी। मैं अपने देश और देशवासियों की निष्ठापूर्वक सेवा करने की प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ। उनके कल्याण और समृद्धि में ही मेरा सुख निहित है।
Everybody, today's news headlines will be delivered by me, Presidential Party, the second vice captain of Bhabuti House. Welcome to today's news headlines. First of all, national news. Anna Hazare anti-corruption campaign. Hazare rejects government offers of informal joint committee on Lokpal bill. Sharad Pawar quits GOM. Government feels pressured. The Trinamool General Secretary said the left-front government had gone bankrupt with ₹2 lakh crore debit, still it continued to act like a dictator. Strategic partnership with India among top US priorities. Supreme Court was land allotment by Uma government in Madhya Pradesh. Now some international news. US and Y equator fired over WikiLeaks. Richard Branson to explore deep ocean trenches in a jet-like submarine. Mona Lisa models remains to be dug up in Italy. Now some business news. Maruti Suzuki India records 13,157 diesel cars. NTPC Q4 PAT up 24% to rupees 2,505 crore. Sensex falls 75 points. Now some sports news. Mahila Jayawardena steps down as Sri Lankan vice captain. Yuvraj Singh demands Bharat Ratna for Sachin Tendulkar. Sania Mirza enters pre-quarterfinals in the WTF Family Circle Cup. Veteran forward Arjuna Halappa to lead India at Azlan Shah Trophy. DLF IPL. First match to be played between Chennai Super Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders today. That's all for today's news and thank you and have a nice day. Now birthday celebration. Today is the birthday of Gayatri Palai of class 2, Aman Agrawal of class 3, Sudra Priyadarshini of class 7 and Priya Srivastava of class 6. So let's wish them.
Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends.
Good morning. Today we have with us Sri Umesh Chandra Panda from